Part 1. Hello everyone. If the sleeves of your knit sweater feel too short, uncomfortable, or do not fit quite right, do not rush to throw that sweater away. In this video, I will share a simple way to fix short knit sleeves so your sweater looks more balanced and you do not need a sewing machine. Let us get started. First, take one old knit sock that you no longer use. We are going to cut off a section from the top part of the sock near the opening. After cutting it, turn the sock piece inside out so the softer side is facing out. Next, slide this sock piece onto the sweater sleeve like this. Take your time and adjust it carefully so the edges line up neatly and evenly. Making sure the edges match will help the final result look clean and comfortable to wear. Now we will sew this part in place. Sew close to the edge of the fabric using simple hand stitches, keeping your stitches even and steady. Go slowly and enjoy the process. This step is very relaxing, especially if you enjoy sewing by hand. Do you usually wear knit sweaters or fleece sweatshirts in winter? I really like warm knit sweaters because they feel cozy and comfortable. Now that the sleeve section is fully sewn, tie a small knot to secure the thread firmly. This helps make sure everything stays in place after washing and wearing. Then carefully cut off the extra thread. Finally, turn the sleeve right side out. You will see that your sweater now has a new cuff at the end of the sleeve. This added cuff helps the sleeve become noticeably longer, and the knit material is stretchy enough to gently hug your wrist. Your sweater is now more comfortable and ready to wear again. Part 2. If you have a simple knit sweater that you have worn for a long time and it feels a bit boring, try decorating it with this second sewing tip. First, prepare a plate like this. Then take some embroidery thread and start wrapping it around the edge of the plate. Keep wrapping until the thread is as thick as you like. This thickness will decide how full your flower will look. When you are happy with the amount of thread, take another piece of thread in the same color and tie it tightly around the middle of all the wrapped threads. Make sure the knot is secure so the threads stay together. After tying it firmly, carefully slide the loops of thread off the plate. Use a pair of scissors to cut through the loops, cutting all the ends of the thread. Once everything is cut, gently adjust the threads with your fingers so they spread out evenly and look soft and round. Next, place this fluffy thread bundle onto your sweater and sew it in place. Use small, neat stitches so it stays secure even after wearing and washing. Finally, use green embroidery thread to create the stem and leaves for this flower. Take your time and enjoy adding these details. Where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment. We would love to connect with you. Now that all the stitches are finished, your sweater has a small flower decoration. It is very simple to create your own little flower and give your sweater a fresh new look. Part 3. Now let us move on to your pair of jeans. With just a small change, your jeans can look much fresher and more interesting. First, Use a piece of tailor chalk to draw a small heart shape on the jeans. Keep the shape simple and clear so it is easy to follow when you sew. Next, take some colored embroidery thread and begin filling in the heart shape with stitching. Sew slowly and carefully, covering the entire heart. Do you have another way to embroider a heart shape? Please share the method you usually use so we can all learn together. Now continue with the embroidery. Try to keep your stitches even and place them close to each other so the heart does not have any gaps. This step just requires a little patience and steady hands. When you finish stitching the heart, push the needle to the inside of the fabric and tie a secure knot. Then cut off the extra thread and you are done. A small heart can make your jeans feel more special and personal. With a bit of care and these basic hand stitches, you can easily give your clothes a new and lovely touch. Part 4. Next is another embroidery design that is also very simple, and you can easily make it at home to decorate your clothes. First, draw a small star shape on the surface of the fabric. Take your time to keep the lines clear and balanced. Next, begin sewing basic straight stitches. Sew in a way that the stitches cross over each other, following the lines of the star. When the outline of the star is finished, we will continue by sewing simple stitches inside the shape. Slowly fill in the entire star, covering the fabric completely. Stitch one stitch at a time and enjoy the gentle rhythm of hand embroidery. This calm process is especially enjoyable for those who like to sew at a relaxed pace. Do you enjoy hand embroidery? Where do you usually add your embroidery designs? Personally, I really like adding small embroidered details to clothing. They make each piece feel special and more personal. Now that the star shape is completely filled, bring the needle to the inside of the jeans. Tie a small knot to secure the thread. The final step is to neatly cut off the extra thread. And just like that, a small star embroidery is finished. And as we come to the end of this video, I hope these simple sewing tips have inspired you to look at your clothes in a new way. With just a needle, some thread, and a little patience, you can refresh old favorites and add your own personal touch. Hand sewing is not only useful, but also calming and enjoyable at any age. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed these ideas, feel free to try them at home and share your results. Until next time, happy sewing and take good care.